Good morning. There's something magical about waking up in the forest. The birds singing, the fresh air, the lake is just a short walk from my campsite. Early morning is the best time to fish, isn't it? The water is calm. Just look at this view. This lake is absolutely pristine. The water is so clear you can see right to the bottom. Fishing requires patience and respect for nature. I'm not taking more than I need, just one fish for breakfast. It's about connect. Yes, I got one. What a beautiful fish. Thank you, New Nature, for this gift. This will make a perfect breakfast. Preparing fresh fish in the wilderness is a skill I've learned over many camping trips. You have to respect the animal, use every part you can, and waste nothing. It's the wilderness way. There's nothing quite like the smell of fresh fish cooking over an open fire. The smoky flavor, the crackling. When you catch and cook your own food in nature. Lucky, fires are out, camp is clean. Today I'm going deeper into the forest to wildlife to find ways and more. Every step deeper into the forest reveals something new. The diversity here is incredible. A cardinal. These birds are so vibrant. It's like nature's masterpiece. The sounds of the forest. That's a blue jay vireo. They're loud but beautiful. And that hammering? A black bear. I'm keeping my distance at least 100 yards because safety comes first. Bears are magnificent but powerful. Strangers. Nature's smallest creatures are often the most beautiful. This monarch butterfly will migrate thousands of miles. From up here, you can see the true majesty of the American forest. Miles and miles of untouched wilderness. I can't believe my eyes. This is incredibly rare. I'm so honored to witness this. These creatures is precious. As the sun sets, the forest transforms into something even more magical. All the animals I've seen today. Wolves. A whole pack. This is incredibly rare. Look how they move together here. Such teamwork and intelligence. They're magnificent. Listen. That sound gives me chills every time. Every trail has a story. Every path leads to discovery. Walking through this ancient forest, I feel like I'm traveling. Okay, now this is serious. Take an American alligator. These ancient predators have been around for millions of years. Howler monkeys. And trust me, you can hear them from miles away, and they're one of the loudest land animals on Earth. They're not aggressive. These are mountain lion tracks spading, and they're fresh, probably from this morning. See how big they are? Cougars are solitary, wild boars with babies. This requires extra caution. Mother boars are extremely protective and can be aggressive if hares, river otters. These are some of nature's most playful creatures. Look at them sliding and splash fun. From the wetlands to the mountains, this forest contains an entire world of interconnected life. Every animal What an incredible journey. American forest is breathtaking. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep the wilderness alive.